is mad. Donna's back outside meeting with Josie. You need to calm down.
Hey, yeah. Stanley.
Stanley. All right. Dudley. Dudley's like, maybe Dudley needs to be with the ladies.
Higgins.
No, Dudley. Okay.
Stanley.
Yeah, maybe not. Cause
Dudley.
I hear Yana outside. She's really unhappy with me.
Stanley.
She's very unhappy. There better be like a bonus in it for Yana.
Stanley.
Okay, all right.
Settle down.
Everybody just calm down. Calm down. Okay.
Stanley. Dudley. Higgins.
Washing the windows.
Stanley.
Washing the windows. Windshield wipers. Okay. Hey.
Higgins. Stanley.
All right. Y'all need to just chill out. Chill out.
Higgins. Stanley.
Stanley.
Dudley. Higgins. Stanley.
Oh, I hear Yana. She's so mad.
Higgins. Stanley.
All right, boys.
Dudley.
All right.
Higgins. Stanley. Dudley.
Higgins. It's okay,
Higgins.
Higgins.
Stanley. Dudley.
She's not going to forget you.
Higgins.
She won't forget you. Oh, honey.
Stanley. I think you got two.
Oh,
Dudley.
that's okay. He needs two.
Higgins.
Okay, that's all, babies.
That's all.
That's it.
Stanley,
That's
there
it.
goes around the
That's
world.
it.
Okay, that's
Do
all,
the
guys.
hokey pokey and you turn yourself about. That's it.
That's all.
That's what it's all about. Let's go. Thank you, guys. All right, guys. We have to let the ladies in. So we got to switch spots. Okay, I understand how upset you are. But this is the way it works best, Yana. It's the way that it works best. Juice. I know, honey. You're unhappy. I get it. And look, where is Yana? Where is Oma? Where is Oma? I know. It's ridiculous having to wait like this. It's just not acceptable at all.
Josie.
Ladies, it really works out better. You should have been
Josie.
here in the mosh pit that we had before.
Whoops, Josie.
Oh, look at that. See? I mean,
Yana. Josie. Found it.
it's in your best interest.
Yana.
You're more
Josie.
the tablecloth type.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
they're kind of like the
Josie.
beer hall type.
Yana. Josie.
Very nicely.
Can you
It's
imagine
very-
this was 100 Bassets?
No, my word. I know. We'll have
Josie.
to figure out how that's going to work out.
Yana. Josie. Yana. Josie. Yana. Josie. Yana.
See, it's
Josie.
much nicer.
Yana.
Much nicer.
Josie. Yana. Josie. Yana.
I do
Josie.
think they're still teachable. I don't want you to give up on it.
Yana.
I think they're still teachable.
You think so? Josie.
Well, Higgins might be
Yana.
set in his ways
Josie.
a little bit.
Yana.
Hey, girls,
Josie.
this is the last round right
Last
here.
round.
This is it.
Yana.
Good job. Good
Josie.
job.
That's all, ladies.
Thank you. Thank you.
That is all. All
That's
is
all,
all.
babies.
Thank you.
That's all. Okay. Josie.
We'll release
Yes. Oh, my word. Stanley.